Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Kia Sorento Limited. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power folding heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, chrome trim, privacy glass, and much more. 19-inch 10-spoke chrome alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam adaptive headlamps with delay off, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 28,101 miles. The power liftgate, large LED brake lights, the heated rear wiper, parking sensors, a very spacious cargo area with a third-row seat, and comfortable heated second-row seats with cup holders and power outlets. We can't forget about the power dual sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled NAPPA leather seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a garage opener, push-button start, distance pacing, a heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice activation, and a backup camera with a bird's eye view to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.